Oh, what up? What's cracking, baby? Welcome to Globex. Welcome to Globex. We got gold pushing up right now. Holy. What in the world? What is going on with gold? Whoa. What's going on? Got your accounts ready to run? Let's go, baby. We got S&Ps over 7,000. We got gold running a little bit. We got things going on here. Happy Globex Monday, baby. We got a lot of people in here too. What's up? A lot of my international people. NASDAQ is up. Gold's running a little bit. NASDAQ's going a little crazy here. Just a little. Gold's kind of thin. Just a little thinness in gold right now. Silver as well, perking up, peeling back. Kind of choppy in that final hour of gold there. And silver. What's up, babers? Is Rips trading Asia now? I'm doing 3 shows a day, baby. I just couldn't do the second show because I was filming. Yep, we got, wow, look at NASDAQ right now. Jostling around. Gold is looking for more. Gold is trying to break out of that previous high hour mark right there. Look at these spreads in gold. Dude, this is insane. Like, this is insane. These spreads in gold are freaking wild, dude. What's up, E-Nick? What's cracking, baby? Yes, sir. How are we doing in the crypto and trading category? Did we take first place yet? I hope we did. I sure hope we did. What's the Red Bull count? So far for the Globex, it's 0. It is 0. 0 right now. I'm number 1? Let's go, baby. Gold's still pushing up here. It's trying to go for that previous 4-hour high, but I feel like we could run into rejection up there, you know? It's trying to, but I just don't know if it's gonna hold that, you know what I mean? You see what I'm saying? So, Charlie says, hey, it's been a while. Hope you're doing great, man. Thank you. Where you been, Charlie? Where you been, homie? Yeah, I feel like it's trying to go for that previous 4-hour high, but then it's like, doesn't have the strength to do it. You know what I'm saying? War in school? War? You been in war? What? Wait, hold on, huh? What do you mean you've been at war? With who? Who are you at war with? Say what? Slick Vic says I got fucked on NASDAQ. What? Oh, work. Well, that's a different story. I thought you were saying war. You got deployed. I've been at war with the NASDAQ for the last 12 years, brother. Well, good thing that you weren't deployed in war. That's a better thing. Work in school is a lot better than war. Gold's still pushing up here. Silver wants more. Silver wants more. Gold wants more. How much more do they want, though, is the question. That is the question. I want to wait for this first 15 minutes to roll on through. It's coming back down a little bit, a little smidge. I'll be right back with you. Don't go anywhere. We got lots more Globex to do. All right, we're back. We are so back. Gold's trying to go sideways here at the previous 4-hour high. My God. This just feels weird. What part feels weird, bro? What do you mean it feels weird? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Hold on, Ripsmod is blowing me up. Oh, Ripsmod, you're so funny. Oh, Ripsmod. Yo, Rips, if you trade Globex, you'll get way more views. But for why? What do you mean? The international folks just love it? What do you mean? Hold on. The Family Griffin says, off. Hold on, I gotta read this. Hold on. We got Globex moving. We got the Family Griffin. Rips, this is brutal. I'm on a losing streak and nothing is working. I feel completely broken. I took a 1-month break and when I came back, I started really well, but I just can't handle the losses. I really can't. When a trade is winning, everything feels fine, but when it's losing, I panic and size up. It feels like the end of the world every time I take a loss. I don't know what to do anymore. I feel so exhausted, broken inside. It is 12 a.m. I can't even sleep. Stop sizing up when you're losing, brother. You need to stick to a fixed risk amount and only stick to that. That's a problem. That's a huge problem right now. We just broke out of the previous... this little fucking hourly thing right here. That's why gold just shot up. You're doing it to yourself, brother. Nothing I will do will stop it. It's in your own control. But you are oversizing. You're doing everything that you shouldn't be doing, and you know that you're doing it. That's a huge problem, bro. You know the answer. You know exactly what I'm going to tell you. So, you know. What's up, Moon Boy? How are you? You can turn up and we get way more sexual. It's nighttime, baby. Wow, what stream are you watching? Brother, slow down. Congrats on 40K on YouTube, Rips. Would you be down to talk about your journey a little bit? What part specifically? I'll talk about anything you want. What do you want to talk about? I'm here for you. Right now. Ding, 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 ding. You doing well, Moon Boy? That's good. That makes me happy. Oh, yeah. Just made 1K on 5 micros gold in 2 minutes in my car driving home from my 12-hour shift. Let's go. Congratulations. I love to hear that. Right now, as gold is this moving kind of slow. It's grinding higher and higher and higher. Same thing with Schmilvers. You're on a micro, but you're sizing up when you're losing. You already know the answer to your question, bro. You're literally telling me what your issue is, but you're not doing anything to solve it. You're like, dude, like Ribs, I can't stop punching myself in the face. How do I stop punching myself in the face? Well, stop punching yourself in the face. Yeet better act right next time. I withdrew money. I showed them who the boss was. I withdrew some money, and tomorrow we're doing a $1,500 hunt. So I win. I fucking win the game. What's up, Risk Flare? Dang, man, you've streamed a lot today. Well, clearly not enough. People need some more Ripskis in their life, you know? But the Family Griffin, you're sizing up when you're losing. That's the opposite of everything that you want to be doing. Why are you sizing up when you're losing money? That seems disgustingly crazy. Let's see, my TPT Pro accounts. I kind of want to see. I was thinking about doing a video where I withdraw money from my TPT account, see how long it takes, and then go shopping with the proceeds. I don't know. It's an idea I had. Oh, 2-factor just changed. How much can I withdraw? Oh my Lord. Oh wait, it didn't show up yet. Wait, when does it show up? Why can't I withdraw yet? I want all my monies. How long does it take to show up? When does it update? Does anybody know? When does TPT show up for the day? Overnight? Midnight? What? Midnight? 9 p.m. Eastern or Pacific? What time zone are we in? What is happening? Midnight Pacific? Midnight EST, so 9 p.m. Pacific? 8 p.m. EST. Why has everybody got a different... Bro, hold on. Can we just all figure this out together? Everybody's throwing out different times right now. I'm losing my mind over here. I'm losing my mind. Midnight UTC. Hold on, let's see. What time is it UTC? It's it's going to happen in 40 minutes from now. 48 minutes. It's going to happen in 48 minutes. Jacob says, yeah, can anyone chill the fuck out? I'm trying to trade here. I'm not. I haven't taken a single trade on Globex in my props. I was told to talk to him on stream Monday if I haven't heard anything. Get over yourself, family. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Wait, Rips, did you get any response from Tradeify? For what? Wait, what are we talking about? God, what are we all talking about? It's like 17 different strings of conversations right now. I can't take it. Oh my God. All right. I'm just gonna, if you guys have specific questions, make sure you answer them or ask them specifically, because otherwise I can't handle the 17 different strings of conversations. Rips, if I'm using NinjaTrader for charts, should I add more levels or use 4 hour and previous session? I mean, that's kind of up to you, brother. What the fuck is this open? Doomslayer. You know what it is. It's Globex, baby. It's nice and slow and controlled. Speaking of slow and controlled, what's NASDAQ doing? Wow, NASDAQ caught a bone ski, huh? Wow. Why aren't we watching NASDAQ? Did we miss this whole move? Oh my God, why are we not watching this? Look at NASDAQ. That was the one to watch. Gold's boring. And as I turn away from gold, look at gold. Popping a boner. Great news, you can trade from Antarctica again today. Dude, you know what's crazy about that? I had so many DMs from fucking penguins that were so mad at me. They're like, you told me to trade on props. What the fuck am I gonna do now? And I was like, shut the fuck up, penguin. Leave me the fuck alone. But now I can message them back and be like, it's chill. You're fine. So thankfully that happened. True story, by the way. Absolutely. Right now, nothing is moving to my flavor right now. What's up, Irvis? How are you, buddy? Apparently, Tradeovate, or I'm sorry, the CME fucked up real bad today. What account do you use for your live? AMP and EdgeClear. If you have more than 150,000 and it tops up XFA, is there any incentive to get more than $150 days until you get taken live? No, I don't think so. If there is, I certainly do not know it. What's ripping today? There was a lot, dude. We made a lot of money in regular trading hours. We made 21,000 on props. Get on the Percy and move it for us? Hold on. I'll be right back. No, I'm not going anywhere. No, I'm not doing that. Rips, what's the difference between one big account and like 5 small ones? I don't know. Is this a joke? Are you winding me up? I don't know. What? Is this a riddle? I love riddles. Go, your turn. What? Hey, Rips, do you ever trade Nikkei? No, not really. I think I've traded it on Top Step like 2 years ago when Dakota was like, bro, trade Nikkei. And I was like, okay, I'll try it. And then it was like, account failed. I was like, bro, why did I do this? He was like, oh, it was really bad today. You shouldn't have done that. I was like, but you convinced me. Yeah. Dakota has gotten into some hijinks with me. Fun Policia, the follow-up to that was, I don't know. What the point was, fucking, you gave me a riddle. He goes, Rips, what's the difference between one big account and like 5 small ones? I go, okay, what? And he goes, I don't know. That's not a fun riddle, dude. Come on, what the fuck? I wish we had a better riddle. Kapil says, have been watching a lot of your shorts on X, Insta, and etc. What is your strat? Fucking hope and pray. No. Momentum, brother. Momentum and market structure. What's up, T. Bryson? Sir, are you on crack? Just a little bit. I'm high on life, baby. Tim says, dude, what are you doing on my computer at dinner time? That's what I'm here for, man. Just roll me out into the living room. Remember those old little carts that they had with the TVs on them back in school? Just roll me out in front of the dinner table. Coach Grizz, what's up, buddy? Oh man, it would be awesome to see you and Dakota on stream trading. We've done that before. We did that a lot back when I was with Topstep. Rubes, did you get an invite to that trading convention in Miami? I did, but I wasn't offered any money. The afternoons are funny. Globex streams are fun. Oh man. My does crack, and you are acting like Hum during his crack attacks. I am just concerned for you, bro. Well, firstly, I'd be concerned on learning how to spell with a computer keyboard first, you fucktard. Let's work on our spelling first. Because you can't even fucking spell the most simple words. Let's start there. It was a mistake to go live for Globex. Why are you streaming right now? Dude, I don't know. Very good question. Dude, what are these questions? What's your most important confirmation to get into a trade? That's easy. Break and retest. If that's like right now on gold, we had a little bit of a break and retest, but it's just moving too slow for me to jump onto. I need more momentum. Silver's going fucking apeshit right now. Silver is almost back at the Monday open, or the monthly open, I should say. Look at silver, dude. Silver's going hog wild. Silver's way stronger than gold. I'm doing 3 streams a day now, baby. 3 streams a day. Will we be gambling channel points during Globex? Now that you asked, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right now. Right now. Let's see. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. Let's do 6:30. 6:31 p.m. Not a.m. Oh my god, I gotta be fucking trading in 27 hours from now. Oh my god, 26 hours. Where is NASDAQ right now? Let's see. I got it. I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes for this prediction. That's way too high. Hold on. There we go. 5 minutes. Go. When are we playing poker? Whenever you want to get your money taken from you. Did you not trade the open? The open of Globex? No, I did not. Not in props, no. Sully says, I don't get to watch the streams in the morning, so I appreciate the stream. That's why we're doing these streams, so that there's more ribs to go around. Apparently the morning is not enough. We have some South Korean data coming out. Hold on. Japan monetary figures are coming out in 30 minutes or so. I think 40 minutes, actually. What am I looking for right now? My mind, I've lost it. Well, we just touched Asia's open in gold, so same thing with silver. Silver and gold both hit Asia's open. They're peeling back right now. So I'd be looking for something along those lines. NASDAQ was really nice, but it's kind of kerfuffling right now at 9:30. What's up, Flash Golden? How many rips does it take to get you really ripped? Good question, man. Do you know why Wealth Charts is not working correctly? I think they're updating their backend. I didn't trade on Wealth Charts today, and I'm waiting to talk to somebody from the Wealth Charts team tomorrow. So I'm going to be doing that tomorrow, talking to somebody on the Wealth Charts team and seeing if they have something for us to go off of. Do New York, Asia, and London? That's what I'm doing, Katie. I'm doing regular New York session, then I'm doing Power Hour, and then whatever you call this, Globex. Globex Open. It's pre-Asia. Rob Hoffman. Yeah, Rob Hoffman's a goat. He is the founder of Wealth Charts. Do you have a course on how you read Bookmap? No, I don't. But if you watch the long form content on my stream, on my YouTube channel, I should say, well, you're going to be pleasantly surprised. Break and retest, same as pitch and catch, completely different. No, completely different. Break and retest is more basic. Pitch and catch is way different. Pitch and catch we talk about, there's like 5 videos on my YouTube channel now about pitch and catch. Oh man. Yeah, gold moved without me, unfortunately, here. It's already up almost 100 handles, but it moved without me. NQ kind of went without me too, but I would like to see what happens at the bottom of the hour. Give me 1 more minute. If you see gold moving violently, it's totally not me on my personal account. Hold on 1 second, be right back. All right, we're back. We're so back, man. How about that goal? This is crazy, huh? That is weird. That is so crazy. Whee! So when does the bonus start? What's the bonus? What are we talking about? I don't even know what we're talking about right now. I have no idea. Bonus hunt? You want to do a bonus hunt right now? You're out of your mind. What's up, Lido? I am live. It's amazing. By the way, congratulations to us. We hit 40,000 subs on YouTube. You guys are insane. You know that you're a very handsome looking guy. Maybe you should have been a model in your younger years unless you're a goofy. P.S. not gay. Wow. What? What is going on? What is going on with these Globex streams? These are fucking crazy. Are we going to demo the TPT payout? Or are you waiting for today's profit? I want to wait for today's profit. I'm just trying to see if there's any kind of TPT setup in gold here. What's up, Trading Reaper? I'm doing well, thank you. How many hours of Globex stream are you giving us? As many as you need. Who shorted my cover? Or what cover? What am I saying? What? I just... I don't know what I'm talking about right now. What am I saying? Save me, Rips. I'm going to lose 6K channel points in the over. Need some Rips volume. Brother, you act like I'm an NQ trader or something. Get out of here. I mean, you betting the over was the problem. TPT 50K or 150K? I don't know. No, I'm trading the 50K TPTs. Do you use ATR when setting stops? I use market structure. Visible range volume profile is what I use here on the right-hand side of my chart. I'm looking for, man, that was gonna be a good fucking short, huh? Wow. Should have known. Who was pushing the market up in gold? That's crazy. That's weird. Gosh, isn't it? Scott Martin, what did you do, bro? That is crazy. Like somebody was like walking up the gold market or something. That was crazy. That was so weird. Wow. God, who was pushing gold up that whole time? It was fucking weird, dude. Gosh. No, but use volume profile, brother. Volume profile, right? Yeah. Volume profile. Always short as exit. What exit? What trade? What are we talking about, bro? I wish I could share my charts and show you what I'm seeing on the NQ. You can. You can DM me. I might look at them. Depends. You can DM me your charts. Sometimes I have time to look. Ribs, what time do you go to bed to get up so early? Well, I'm gonna hit my jacuzzi in like 90 minutes. And then after my jacuzzi session, I'm gonna probably wind down. My jacuzzi session is where I don't have any phone. Today I was like, oh, maybe I should bring my phone in there and I should do like a Q&A from Instagram. But no, I was like, nah, that's not as fun. I need my private time. So there you go. What I'm looking for now is for gold to settle underneath the Asian Open, right? We're looking underneath the Asian Open because if we have liquidity lower, if it doesn't base out here, it's going to seek liquidity back in this area of price, which is like about 30 handles lower. So Ribs, we should have alerted us so that we can take a short on your exit. We missed that one. I don't know that everybody did, though, is the thing, Q Mendes. I think a lot of people actually did catch that. I'm just saying. I mean, yeah, Boner's got it. OF content in the jacuzzi. Maybe we just do regular kick content in the jacuzzi. No, I was going to do like Instagram Q&A. That's what I was looking at doing, possibly. Potentially. Potechko. Ribs, have you done any trading podcasts recently? No. I got offered to do, fucking, what's it called? The Riz one. Rizdom. Words of Rizdom, and then Chart Fanatics, and I turned them both down. Because I'm crazy like that. But yeah, I got offered that, and he was going to fly out to Vegas, and I was like, at the last second. I was like, meh, I'm good. I just don't like that other people profit off of my content. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's weird. They run like ads, you know, like for prop firms during that shit. I would not get paid, no. And also, yeah, the whole thing, like there is a whole thing about how like people, there's a stigma about that podcast. So I don't know. I'm not a big podcast guy unless it's my podcast. Would you let me interview you for my school project? I mean, maybe. I don't know. Are you being serious? I DM'd you on Insta. I'm hopping off for the night. All right, good night. I'll try to check it in a little bit. Silver is failing below the previous 4-hour high right now. We are seeing gold coming down a little schmeckleberry right now. If it can break below 50, we're running into the VWAP. If it can break below 50 here, it's going to be a nice pull down. It has to hold below these 50s though. Watch below these 50s for a pull down. If it doesn't hold below 50s, it's not what we're looking for. Watch below the 50s. It's trying, right? You can see it's trying. Silver is still flushing a little bit here too. Watch closely. Watch closely. Wait for it. Wait. Wait. Possible pitch and catch. Wait. Wait. Hold. Wait, 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 wait. Now, short now, short now, short now. Targeting just below 50s. Short now below 50s and watch. Watch the peel. Watch for the peel. Watch the peel. And covering a little bit right here on the bid. Tickled. Little tickle. And filled. Boom. There we go. Yahtzee. That is $1,500 in our TPTs. Bang! Who caught that with me? Who caught that with me? Talk dirty to me if you caught that with me. What a move. Beautiful pitch and catch there. We nailed them. They didn't have a chance, and we waited for the pitch and catch. We waited for the pitch and catch. Whee! Who got that? Come on. Yeah. It feels so good when we do it together. Yes. Yes. Yeah. And we waited. We did it all so patiently together too. Oh, we were in the groove. Said, wait, wait. And then bang! We got it like a jungle cat. We got him. Bang! Let's go. That was just too easy almost. I never use the E word. Never use the E word. That was almost too easy though. That was almost too easy. I don't think we had any MAE there. I don't think we had any MAE on that trade. That was literally the moment we went short, it went straight down. That was great. Just had to wait, just had to wait. I like how it face checked 50 first to give us the chance to get all ready. Globex is sweet. It's like so chill. It's so chill, baby. All right, now we can wait again. This is the best part about trading is that you never have to always be in a trade. You can just wait. That was a great little confluence that we saw in silver too. That was gorgeous. Damn, Noriega made 2,200 on that job. Let's go. I didn't size up that much. I just made 1,500. But that's real cash in the bank, baby. That was fun. All right, stream's over. That's all we needed. Okay, let's see if we could pay the overs here. Let's see. But get 9:30 or sorry, 6:31. What time? 9:44. You want me to pay the overs? I will. Let's do it. Let's pay the overs. By the way, if you're wondering what I'm talking about, paying the overs on Kick. If you watch on Kick, it's free to watch. We gamble channel points on there. Channel points are hooked into a channel store where you can get free shit. In the channel point store right now, I just want to read you what we have. Apex Eval, any size, 50K Tradeify growth account, 50K Lucid Flex account, 50K Lucid Black account, 50K TPT test account, 25K Lightning funded account. That's a funded account. And you can get this all for free just for watching on Kick. It's crazy. What's up, J-Loosh? Rip, since waiting for 50 and it touched VWAP, you don't think it was bounce off it? No. Dude, that's the setup. That's a dream setup that I'm going to give to you every day of the week, baby. We're going to clear that liquidity just right? It's just... That's why when we checked 50s, I said, wait. And then we got the weakness. That's the pitch and catch. And then we just slam. Just slam it straight down, baby. You hit 1K. Let's go, baby. You just gotta wait, baby. Just be patient. 99% of trading is waiting, baby. And what a shock. The Ripsy reversal came through again. Everybody, we all covered right here. And look at what happened. The market just shot right up. How many points is that? Fucking 20 some odd points. Every single time I close, just reverse my fucking trade, dude. It works unbelievably well. Trading Reaper got $4,000. Let's go, baby. Nice work. Nice push on Nas. Nice. Rips, you requested a bang. Sent a bang emoji to you. Let me see. Did you make that yourself? Is that copywritten artwork? It was a pitch and catch, Capil. Pitch and catch. If you don't know the pitch and catch, go on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/@marketclubhouse. I have tons of videos outlining what the pitch and catch is. It's well worth watching. It's all free content, by the way. I do this all for free, baby. It's all free. Made by yourself. Okay. Can I get it in higher quality? It looks a little bit... Hold on, let me see here. It's safe. You're funny. It's a safe word. Let me see. You guys will be the judge of this, whether we keep it or not. I mean, it looks pretty nasty, bro. I like the colors. They kind of match my green, so I like the color scheme that you went with, the schemes. Let me see here. Hold on. Let me see. Enter emote name. Isn't it just bang? Bang. Let's see. There we go. Okay. See if you guys like this one. It's selling rips bang. I think it's good. Try it out. You guys like it? Should we keep it or we do a different one? Rips just tuning in. Could you explain your recent trade? Did you just take it at the open? No. We did it all together. Rewind the stream and you could watch it live in real time. Where I was like, wait, and then short now. And then we shorted and went straight down and we all covered at the bottom. Rips, one of the best videos I share with my buddies learning is your video about market being moments in time. Great way to teach people not to chase. I love that one. Thank you, DB. Somebody get DB a house. Thank you, Scott Martin. I appreciate you, pal. You're the man, dude. We are pushing back up again. It's crazy how we got that tuck below and we nailed that exit perfectly, but it's just like, I did not expect this much momentum back up to the north side here. NASDAQ is really running for it too. I kind of want to see if there's an opportunity in NASDAQ. It's just blowing out here. Bottom of the hour came and went. We had a little bit of a blowout at the bottom of the hour. You can see it right here on Bookmap, right above my head, right there. Just right there. Thank you, Spidey Steve. Appreciate you. If you don't have the bang, just refresh. Refresh your chat. That's why. Hold on. Let me re-add it, actually. My bad. Let me fix it. Bang. I feel like... Okay, there we go. It's working again. Bang. It's under bang. I'm eating Italian 4-cheese Cheez-Its. Well, how about that? I haven't had a Cheez-It in a hot minute, brother. It's been a while since I've had a Cheez-It. I'm not a big snack person. In fact, I'm actually like backed on a strict diet today. 1 meal a day. Wow. Oh, we all have the bang now. There we go. Steph, so cool to see you trading Globex. Well, I figure there's a lot of demand for it, so we might as well supply that demand. You know what I mean? And I want to make this a regular thing. I don't know how long I'll stay live for today because this is the inaugural Globex stream. But I mean, we had one good trade. I mean, I feel like we did our duty, you know? I feel good about it. Everybody was like in it. It felt like everybody was in it. Wouldn't that be crazy if Cole just tried? All right, everybody, whenever the short it goes straight up. That would have been embarrassing. That would have been real gross. But I'm happy. We made $1,500 in our TBD accounts, which I can withdraw. Which to me is insane, by the way. I don't know how they keep getting away with this. $1,500. I withdraw it. They'll pay me $1,200 of the $1,500, keep $300 for themselves. Like, that to me is insane. Pitch and catch today on GC. That's correct, Cash Trades. Well, we did it, what? That was like fucking 5-6 minutes ago, it feels like. Wasn't that long ago. Everything's pulling back in tandem right now. S&Ps, gold, and silver all pulling back here. Gold, I don't trust on the way back down here. It is not something I would trust. Made me want to try TPT again. Dude, I'm telling you right now, TPT might be my favorite prop firm. And I don't say that lightly. It's crazy. It's like actually bonkers to me that TPT is the way that it is. And it's silly that I slept on it for so long. I don't really know why I was sleeping on it for so long. It is insane to give them $300? Brother, what? What do you mean? It's insane to give them $300. What? State your case immediately. RNB, thank you for being here. Thanks for the sub. What makes it better? Daily payouts, and I can make up to $50,000 in a single trading session. And I can take out that $50,000 that night. Do you know what I mean? Like, when I trade in other prop firms, I can make unlimited amounts of money, but then I get to the payout day, which is like not the same day. And then they're like, oh, by the way, we're going to cap you at this number. And I'm like, but I made all this money. They're like, ha, 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 this is prop firm land. Fuck you. On TPT, I'm like, hey, I just made $1,500. Can I have my $1,500? And like, sure. This is America. And I'm like, what? Other prop firms don't do this. And they're like, fuck them. That's why I like TPT. That's the real answer. You're asking me, I'm telling you. That's why I like them. Lafta, what is your name? Lafta? You give them $300. The state wants theirs. So does Uncle Sam. It's your money. Give it. You earned. Okay, sure. I agree. What? Yes, I think we agree. Dude, I don't know why I slept on them for so long. Seriously. Like, I have no clue. I made $15,000, I think, today. Didn't I make 15 grand? Yeah, I made 15,500 trading my TPTs today. And then I just made another 1,500. Who knows what I'm going to do tomorrow? And I got so much buffer, bro. I'm like Bruce over here announcing the UFC. Seriously. I mean that. Trade day is like that. They don't do what Toy does for payouts? What does Toy do for payouts? Like Toys R Us? The giraffe? What do you mean, DJ Noah? What platform am I on besides Bookmap? This right here is TradingView. This right here is RIP's key levels. It's a free indicator on TradingView. It's very free. They don't do what TPT does for payouts? Who's they? Oh, Lucid and Tradeify. Tradeify, you can do daily payouts, but they cap you at $1,500. Lucid does daily payouts, but they cap you. Brother, if I'm trading, I don't want to be limited on my success. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, if I make let me just use a normal number. If I make $15,000 in a day, shouldn't it be up to me whether or not I want to take that 15 grand out and pay myself and maybe splurge a little bit at Chromio Santos? Chromio Santos, of course, is the code name for Chrome Hearts. If it's my 15 grand that I made, shouldn't I be allowed to go splurge at Chrome Hearts a little bit? I mean, why should I be capped on how much money I made? I should be rewarded for my trading. Do you know what I mean? That's my gripe. I don't know if we have something else to say about him. Let's talk about it. Kakarov says, I took 10K from them in 3 days, then went too heavy and blew 5K in drawdown, but solid experience. Well, dude, think about it. You traded 3 days and you made 10 grand from them. What other prop firm in the first 3 days are you going to be able to be like, give me 10 grand? Not many. Do 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 boop do do boop bip bip boop bip bip. Is TPT the best then? I like them the most right now. And I hate to play favorites, but dude, if somebody can tell me that I'm crazy and give me a valid reason of what I'm saying is wrong, I'm open for the discussion. But for every reason that I'm talking about right now, I've never been more psyched to trade than on TPT. Because like I have so much drawdown right now. like basically $50,000 worth of drawdown in my accounts across all 5. And I can just, if I decide to take some of that out, I can do it. Nobody's going to stop me. Consistency and evals, they're 5 days to pass. That's the only downside, I guess. It takes 5 calendar days to pass. But like if you start today, you could be trading a funded account next Tuesday. Like they always said back to those girls back in the day, see you next Tuesday. See you next Tuesday. What the flip am I watching right now? You're watching me, fat guy. Yes, see you next Tuesday. Correct. What are you doing stream Globex? Hold on, let me check. Give me a second, fat guy. Are there laws against rips streaming on Globex? I'm asking ChatGPT. Give me a second. It said no. So what the fuck, fat guy? If I want to stream Globex, ChatGPT says there's no laws against it. So fuck you. Is this a TPT ad? Yes, this is an infomercial for TPT. Way to be a cynical douchebag. Meh. God forbid I'm excited and happy about something. I love the cynical people. They're so fun. Yeah, everything sucks. How dare this guy's happy? Dude. Whew, it's fun. I love Globex streams. I don't know why I have so much energy. I never have this much energy in the morning. I'm a little leery of these firms now. I wouldn't be. Trade with the ones that have been around the longest. I think TPT's been around since what, 2015 or something? I don't know. It's something ridiculous. When did TPT start? 2018? 2019? Oh, man, I'm crying over here. It's so funny. Let's see. When did Take Profit Trader start? Start. 2021. Founded by James Sixsmith, a former professional hockey player who previously ran an education company called The Leering Center. Wow, crazy. That's nuts. TPT intraday trailing drawdown pro is a bitch by the looks of it. But once you pass it, it's gone for the lifetime of the account. That's actually where I got my education, was at the Leering Center. That's exactly where I went for all of my education, was the Leering Center. They do a March Madness bracket too for $1 million? What? What indicators is this Rip Scalper Pro? It's not out yet. You're gonna have to wait. Get in line, buddy. This is Rip Scalper Pro. It's not out yet. It's gonna be free when it comes out. Oh shit, a Globex stream. We're here, baby. How can I send my kids there? First, step 1, move to Minnesota. Dude. Oh, the Leering Center. What a place, huh? All right, let's do one more channel points gamble. I'm gonna put 5 minutes on the clock for this one. This is gonna be a ball breaker. Is TPT monthly payment? Not when you get into the pro accounts, no. In evals, yes, but not in pros, no. Okay, we're gonna do one for 7. Dude, how is it already this late? What the fuck? 7 p.m. Okay, let's do this. 5 minutes, go! Wait until they find the fraud going on in North Carolina. It's just as obvious. What, like, is it PD Pablo? Is he up to something? Because I remember him saying something about this one is for North Carolina. Come on and raise up. And then something about removing your articles of clothing and thus spinning it around your head like it's a helicopter. I don't remember the exact quote, but I don't know what it said verbatim. Trading Reaper says, wait guys, I just realized. What? Rip's never revealed his real name. I've said it multiple times. I've actually posted my broker statement with my real name multiple times. Cube Q just posted it. AJ. Those are the initials. My name is Jeff. Exactly right. But those of you that know him, just call him Big Dick Willie. Amen, brother. Oh yeah, MIWSOP. My cash in WSOP. PD Pueblo. Yes, you are correct, Pocket Aces. You know who I miss is Black Amex. Every single time I see Pocket Aces, I always think it's Black Amex because you guys have the same color name. Silver's going, gold's going. Metals are moving. Just signed up with TPT using your code. Thanks. See, this whole time it was just a big advertisement. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. God damn it. They pause used car lots, but they don't sell any cars. Hell, there's one that has cars out back and they're now a tobacco vape store. La Malfavao, so sketch. Crazy. That's nuts. That's insane. Gold is still going. NASDAQ, which the bets are on. Everybody's kind of split on the bets right now. It is 53%, 47%. Oh my goodness. Indicator bright green line is not out yet. It's coming soon. Don't worry. Sounds like a 80s workout video. I really just wish we would have taken our reverse out of our trade. I wish we would have gone long. I love this song, especially when the vocals start going. Sounds like the beginning to Take On Me. It does. It's like the exact same thing. Rips, I did that to TPT, $15. I want a cam. Oh, dude, come on, be nice. You missed out on 5K, but I made 5K? I don't get it. The AI mod did not like the KMS part, by the way. Your model's the Rips close reverse. I sell it at a course for $99. Congrats, dude. That's amazing. What are you feeling FOMO for, though? Come on. Do they make you go live when you reach a certain level? Yes. It's up to their discretion, or if you make $50,000 in a single trading session. Silver hourly looks like a huge bear flag. It could be. It could be. It very much could be. Name of the micro silver contract, SIL. SIL. Which, by the way, I don't know if you can trade on TPT. I know you can trade micro gold, but I don't know if you can trade micro silver. I'm not sure. Once you're alive, can you not do sim anymore? Permanently locked out? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I think you get kicked back to sim if you blow your live account. I think you get kicked back to pro, and then you have to pay for a reset if you want to. Is that 50K in a single session across all accounts or just one account? It's 10K per account. 10K per account. 5 accounts, 50K. Bing bang. No, you can do sim if you're really good. You can skip pro. Oh, interesting. Maybe they'll look at my trading and be like, yeah, I don't know. We don't want you in Pro Plus. If you make a withdrawal of 10K total, they also move you. No, that's false. Incorrect. It's only if you make 10K in a single session, they lock out your account and then they move you to Pro Plus. We talked about this morning. Peak Trading says, "G'day, Rips. From Sydney, Australia." That's not a good accent at all. Sorry. I butchered that. Wrong. I just got moved. Well, it's their discretion. They must have really liked your trading. You made 10K in 7 sessions. They must have really liked your trading then. We'll have to see what happens with my trading. How much did you take in withdrawals? What did you take in withdrawals? $50K across 5 150K pros? Well, shit, how much did you actually take for a payout? How much did you actually take out? Am I ever going to go to the Top Step stream again? Maybe. Possible. I withdrew 50K total, then 1,505 Pro Plus, and then I blew them. What happens after you blow them? Do you get to go back? Did you get to go back? I don't have Top Step accounts. I closed my live account like a year ago, bro. So what happens since you blew the 5 Pro Plus? What happens? How much drawdown did you have? I wanted to learn about this. I want to hear more. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. You can start over. If you do really well, you can get to skip pro and they put you straight into pro plus. So you have to do it again, is what you're saying? Is that for real? Usually you'd have to go back to evals, but you could draw half of the 5K buffer on your pros. Huh. I talk to Dakota all the time still. I blew a Pro Plus with 4,500 drawdown and was able to start the whole process over again. Interesting. All right, see you tomorrow, homie. Keep it real, dog. It is 15 seconds until, well, no, it's a minute 15 until we pay the bets. Best session of Trade Rips? Never traded Globex. Pre-market, Globex. You know, I don't know. There's a lot. Julius just passed an Apex eval. Let's go, baby. There's a lot of different good sessions. Gold is just cracking off right now. This is the Asia Open right here. Gold is cracking off above 48. Hey, it's going off, dog. They broke through that 4,800. Now silver's going to at $83. Rips, what are you doing trading Globex Open? I don't know. I got lost, bro. What do you want from me? I don't even know where I am right now. What do you want from me? Just found out that you could trade live cattle and lean hogs on funded necks. That sounds like a mission, dog. That sounds fucking insane. Why would you do such a thing? That's confusing. Why would you want to do that? Gold is turning up here again. Or it's trying to. $4,800 is trading. Can it actually hold 4,800 after that Globex Open, or Asia Open, I should say? It's trying to hold above 4,800. Or I should say, hold below. Take care, fat guy. 4,800 is an interesting level here. It's interesting because like 4,800 keeps getting challenged. So you have to wonder if it's actually going to hold above this and like start to schmeckle this 4,806 area. Or will it actually like flush back below? Makes you wonder. 4,800 is getting boosted. Can it push through like 4,806 again? Let's see. It's trying to. Wow, it's really going. See if it can hold this push. 4,806 is like the juiciest juice you've ever seen in your life. Now 4,808, Jesus. This is like jamming, bro. Holy shit. My God. That's 5K for me. Yo! Yo! Pitch and catch! Whoa! Whoa! Jeez Louise, dude. Tell me you saw that. That's $5,000 in Globex, ladies and gentlemen. Jeez. Unbelievable. Tell me you're riding it with me. Jesus. That's just like, oh my God. How did we just make $5,000 on a classic pitch and catch, dude? What in the French is going on? What the French, toast? Dude, that was insane. That's actually insane. That's freaking insane. So if you take today's trading and what I just did in Globex, I'm up $25,000 in TPT today. Wow. That feels insane. I love it. Yes, TPT accounts. Obviously, bro. I don't trade anything else. TPT is the wave, brother. I'm telling you, these are insane. These are patently insane, dude. These accounts are freaking nutso. These are insane accounts, bro. Like, gold has just been producing, bro. You lit liquor. I'm telling you guys, this is my favorite shit to trade. Is these TPT accounts. These are so cracked, it's unreal. They're so juiced up, dude. It's like, I don't even... If we all start trading the same trades, I think they're kind of fucked. They're gonna move us all to Pro Plus together. I swear to God. They're gonna literally move us all together. Dude. This is fucking insane. Not 25K, it's 20K. You give 20% dumb. Well, tell you what. Go ahead and find a way to get fucking $50,000 of leverage. Dude. If you're gonna complain about prop firms, you're in the wrong stream. I promise you this. You're in the very much the wrong stream. You're so insane. Ribs, brother, why don't you open a hedge fund? Dude, I actually had a bunch of people that were asking me like, hey man, can I please invest in your trade? I was like, nah, nope, nah, not me. Not this guy. Pay those unders. Let's see. Asia is now open. 941. Let's pay the unders. Unders have won officially. I'm not interested in getting investors. Do not. No. Nope. No, thank you. I like trading my own money. I do not need OPM. No, thank you. Not into that stress. I'm good. No, thanks, dude. I like trading my own money for myself. That's my wave. Again, why did nobody short my exit, dude? What the French? DB says, I lost my job 2 years ago and make more in a month with props than I did in a year in the corporate world. There you go. Is it so bad? I mean, dude, for me, I'm happy. I'm good. I bootstrap nearly everything in my life, you know? Rip, send me a little eval, homie. I'll do you one better. We're going to have a giveaway tomorrow for a 50K TPT account. How does that sound? Can I invest in the weekend Bellagio bankroll? I'll call it. No. Get out of here. How about we do a 50K giveaway tomorrow for celebrating 40,000 subs on YouTube? Who's down for that? You know what I mean? I think that's what we should do. And here's what I'm thinking. If we can somehow get to like, I'm getting ahead of myself, but if we can get to like 45,000 subs, I want to give away like a 150K TPT. Even though I trade the 50Ks, I think a 150K giveaway would be pretty fresh. Cashies, have you been gambling at all today? Cashies won $15,000 on Yeet today. Rips, let me hold 50K to pay off my student loans. Here's the thing. That's not exactly holding it. It's holding it and then spending it. I'd let you hold it, but then the holding and spending part. Here, in fact. Here's 50,000 in Aria chips. This is 50,000 in Aria chips. That's what holding 50,000 feels like. Yes. What's the logic behind a 50K versus 150K? One gives you more contracts to trade than the other, but it's harder to pass. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I don't know these things, man. I'm not a doctor. I'm just a retard who streams. You played Limbo a few minutes ago? Gosh, do I need to check the leaderboard? I withdrew. That's how terrified I was after today's performance, bro. I literally withdrew from Yeet. I have $1,500 left for tomorrow's bonus hunt. We're doing a $1,500 hunt with $1.50 cap bets. Which one is harder to pass? The 150K is harder to pass. And it's more expensive too. It is more expensive and harder to pass. The 50Ks are cheaper. If I wanted to lie to you and like try to get you to spend more money, I could do that, but I'm not going to. I'm going to tell you the truth. I trade the 50Ks and I just paid $5,000 while I'm cracking jokes here. What'd you hit on Limbo? I don't see you on the Aura. Are you on like big dog bets over here? Lucky bets. Are you still on lucky bets for this one, for today's? You're not even on lucky bets anymore? Wait, how are you not on lucky bets, bro? High rollers? How come you're not on lucky bets, Cash? It was that long ago, huh? It must have been longer than 10 hours ago. How come it's never us, dude? How come we never get to win? All of our fucking bets today, like the high, what was our highest? Like 111x or something? You're in lucky. Oh, there you are on Limbo. I see. Nice, brother. What size am I trading? 50Ks. 50Ks. Any idea when you want to trade your own capital again if you didn't already start it? What are you talking about? I trade my own capital every day. What are you talking about? I traded literally moments ago. Yeah, I see your Limbo now. Congratulations, dude. That 301X, what did it actually hit? Contract size, I only trade the micros, bro. Only the micros, gold micros, because it moves so much. You don't need to trade any more than the micros. Micro machines, just the macros. No offense, brother. From the last point, you said you want to focus more on props. No. For the live stream, for what I actually show, I'm only showing props. I'm just not showing anything on my personal account. In the same way, I don't talk about my long-term portfolio. I don't talk about my leaps. All I do is talk about what I show on stream, which is the prop firm trading stuff. That's it. That's all. Why are you apologizing, Mr. Patrick? I'm here for you. We're a team, brother. I'm here to answer your questions. I want to help you guys as much as possible. That's the purpose of this stream. I do this for free to help you guys. That's the purpose. That's why we did the trades together. Made a bunch of money. Hey, Ribs, what do you use to copy trade TPT accounts? I trade on Tradeovate. Tradeovate, built-in copy trader. That's it, and that's all, baby. Tradeovate, built-in trade copier. Skirt. It's the best. For me, at least. I have like all of my accounts copy traded evenly. Dude, I have so much drawdown in these accounts. I literally like can't believe that this is like, it's crazy because I could understand if this prop firm was like, oh, you can withdraw once every like 3 days. Ugh, don't want to give them any bad ideas, but like it would make sense to me if they're like, oh yeah, you can withdraw once every 3 days. The fact that you can withdraw every single day is outrageous, bro. It's nutrageous. Why don't you copy trade 20 Apex accounts as well? I do. I have 20 Apex PAs, but they're on Wealth Charts, and I have a call with Wealth Charts tomorrow to go over their new version of Wealth Charts prop. Did you used to trade with Ninja Trader? Yes. Way back, like 3 years ago. Rips, are you planning on going to a live poker game again? Yes. Did you take the payout yet? I have not. That's the only sad part about being moved to Pro Plus. Your drawdown will drop to 2K. I mean, that's still $10,000, and I'm trading micros. What do I need more than $10,000 worth of drawdown, brother? Like, what? The fuck? What? NASDAQ rip? Oh, straight down. That's called a rip to the downside. Holy God. TPD payout will be ready. Wait, hold on. Let me check. Can I? There it is. Whoa, you're not wrong. Holy shit, I can take out so much money. Damn, that's insane, dude. What if I took it all out? I don't want to take it all out. Oh my God, it's so tempting though. How much money could I take out? That's a lot. Bro, that's a lot. Damn. That's a lot of cash. But then I'd remove most of my drawdown. Are you also trading micro gold tonight? Every trade I've taken tonight to make $5,000 live and direct in front of your face has been on micro gold. Only micro gold. Seven Figure Guy says, I'm finding great value in this new approach. I was always able to keep up with you previously, but was trading so heavy, I would trade multiple minis on a 50K. Craziness. I figure if old Ripsy can trade micros, a Seven Figure Guy could do them as well. I wish I had all those accounts back. Well, today's a new day. If you take it slow, I promise you that you can have success. If you take it slow. Don't rush things. Are you friends with Dan Bilzerian? No, I'm not friends with him, but we've had some history, yes. I wouldn't say we're friends, but we have some history. Rip's been watching you every morning for the past year. Do you think you traded better with live account or props? I trade better with my own money, of course, but I feel like we are making a rapid adjustment to props, and I freaking love TPT right now. And TPT is very similar to trading my own money. What prop firm do you use? TPT. Take Profit Trader. Let me see if this works, if this command works. Sometimes Nightbot is very slow, especially at nighttime. Nightbot needs a little coffee or something. There it goes. Take Profit Trader. 40% off. No evaluation or no activation fees. Back to gold. Sure. Oh shit, gold's going for it too. Look at this. Damn, son. Where did you get that from? How many micros would you risk for a 2K drawdown? I don't know. Up to 5 maybe, if that. Not that many. Gold moves a lot. Just take it slow. There's no rush. Nobody's fucking holding a gun to your head and be like, you got to get out of this drawdown tonight. Is it weird for you to get filled differently with props? It's actually not fair for the prop firms the way I get filled. It's really not. It's ridiculous. It's absurd how good I get filled on props versus in a live account. It's not fair for them. I'm being honest. How do you go about doing taxes, especially when you have multiple brokers? You have a CPA, so you don't have to worry about it. Sim fills are epic. They're not even fair, bro. They're not even fair. I'm telling you. I'm being honest with you. They're not fair for the prop firms. They're fair for you. They're more than fair for you as the trader. Good luck getting those fills on actual gold. Trading that size on actual gold. Good luck. Doesn't work like that. Your pitch and catch is the easiest thing I've seen once you get the hang of it. It's just bread and butter. I love that, Leo. Let's go, baby. 15 contracts at any price. No slippage. It's fucking unreal, dude. It's out of this pocket. 200 a day times 5 accounts, 5 days a week is 20K a month. Consistency is the golden ticket. Amen. You said it, not me. CPA. First time I have to do Webull, which I started on, then a little bit on Toss, and then went to AMP Futures. Yeah, get a CPA. Your local CPA will not be expensive, I promise you. It'll cost you no headache and a lot less money than you think. I promise. Oh yeah, I promise you, baby. This I promise you. Would you sketch out a pitch and catch to the downside? Right now, there isn't one in gold. There's only one to the upside right now. How do you fill your orders on these props, brother? Either limits or just pressing all out. This is the hotkeys that I actually use for trading on props. That's it right there. Those 6 buttons. Buy market, sell market, buy bid, sell ask, cancel all, and close position. Flatten all and cancel. That's it. Very straightforward. Very, very straightforward. How many MGC contracts do you think is wise with a 25K prop account? No more than 3. It moves so fast and there's so much movement. You don't need to rush things. Build up a buffer. Take it slow. I got a pitch and catch on NQ off PDH 15-point trade. Let's go, big. How you set it up on Ninja? Set up what? No, it's on Tradeovate. I'm using it on Tradeovate, baby. Tradeovate. Hotkeys on Tradeovate, baby. The fills on TPT are amazing. Top sub X fills used to make me pull my hair out if the order's filled. Interesting. Hey, Rips, can you explain the clearing liquidity? I heard you say when explaining the pitch and catch. Clearing liquidity? I don't remember that part. You got a stream deck? How? Go into your settings, enable hotkeys, and then assign the keys to the specific keys. If you weren't rich yesterday, don't try to be rich by tomorrow. Amen. I love that. I don't have a video setting up hotkeys on Tradeovate, but I can make one. I have a lot of videos that are coming out. A lot. It's a lot. Dane says, it's so refreshing to see a real trader with some big knowledge without a mask and pretending to be something he is not. You feel me? I do feel you, baby. I feel you all day. No, I'm serious. I will make a video on how to set up hotkeys on Tradeovate. I'm not even kidding. What's your trading story, brother? What got you in? How long did it take you to figure it out and break even? This is my 12th year of trading. I started because somebody came into my office a long time ago, 12 years ago. Well, just almost 12 years. I've been trading for 12 years come this, I believe September is when I opened up my account. September 2014 is when I opened up my very first trading account. I didn't know that I could actually trade, and I've been obsessed with trading since I was a little kid. It took me about 3 years to actually start being profitable, but I was trading 5 days a week, 10 plus hours a day. And I was trading mainly equities. Started on ETFs, moved to equities. Long story short, it was very hard. I almost gave up completely. I took a 6-month break. I talk about this on my, on a couple podcasts, but this is the abridged, shortened version. I almost quit trading full time, and then I took a 6-month break. I came back, I missed trading, and I dialed it in after that. It was about year 4 and 5 that was kind of rocky. How much did I lose in the process? A lot. Week 1, within the first 2 weeks, I had already blown a 60 account, I think twice. 60K account. So, and I'm talking like real money. I didn't start on props. I only traded on props like 3 or 4 years ago, 3 years ago, when I first started with my group, because somebody was like, hey, options are hard. Can we please do prop firms? I was like, what are prop firms? So, in general, they are bad compared to others. That's why they limited you to using Project X. Interesting. Past 2 Apex accounts today. Let's go, Leo. Yo. That's what I like to see, baby. I broke even and made profit with the silver rise as it fell back on break even. Oh, well, you know. It looks like it's rising to the moon right now. Ribs, what do you see if we break that previous 4-hour high? Which one? Which one are we looking at right now? Are you talking about like breaking below? Like if we went lower? Like here? If we broke, I'm looking for a break and a retest and then that. But we have to do that. This is the important part. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing. If we don't get the bing, 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 then no good. Gold? Where's the previous 4-hour high that you see that we're breaking above, brother? We're way up here. We've done that. We played that game. We broke, we came back down, we shorted that. We got that little schmeckulation right there. We already played with gold. He means New York high. Oh, you're talking about up here. That is the New York high, my friend. You're talking about previous 4-hour high. Yeah, the New York high. Well, if we break it, we got to see what happens, see how it's received. Right now, the Asia high is getting taken out. So silver and gold are both getting very strong, and that's simply because there's a lot of shorts that need to close, and there's very low liquidity right now. That's what's happening. That's exactly what's happening right here. It's a big area. It's a huge area. So there can be a lot of stops placed above that, right? If we get a lot of stops here, it's going to shoot up, but then we have to watch what happens afterwards. Me personally, I think I'm done trading. I made 5K during Globex, hanging out on a stream talking shit. We have data coming out in 8 minutes. I'm going to check out this data, and then I'm probably going to call it for the night so I can go in the hot tub with my wife and chill and relax. Maybe we do a Q&A. No, I want to relax. I was like, maybe we could do a Q&A or something, but We'll do that tomorrow. We'll do some Instagram Q&A tomorrow. If you're not following me on Instagram, instagram.com/ripstrades. But dude, we made 5 jizzle bombs. Look at this. We made 5K in our TPT accounts. How can I not be happy about that? I don't feel like trading anymore. I'm good. It's been a long day. I've been up since 2 o'clock in the morning. I streamed for 5.5 hours this morning. We did some videos this afternoon. I'm tired. You know what I mean? I want to take on this news at the bottom of the hour, talk you through it, and then leave you with some goods. And I want to do a giveaway tomorrow. If you haven't tuned into the morning streams, if you've only seen me here on the first inaugural Globex stream, I go live every morning, 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 a.m. Central, 5 a.m. Pacific. Last Sunday, NQ opened 400 points low and then recovered and went 800 to 1,000 points for 3 days and stayed within the range the rest of the week. Similar pattern this week, possibly. It depends on the news. We were going to have NFP this Friday, but they stopped. We are not getting NFP this Friday, so that changes things. We are going to be beholden to the breaking news this week. So we got to wait for the news. Tomorrow on the program, for the morning program, we are going to have Jolt's job openings at 10 o'clock tomorrow. That's the first real piece of U.S. news. It's a real piece of ice. We get that tomorrow, Tuesday, February 3rd. And then on Wednesday, we get the ADP non-farm employment change. That's baby NFP. But then we don't get real NFP. And on Thursday, we probably get jobless claims, but maybe not. And on Friday, we were supposed to get NFP, but I don't think we're going to get it because of the government shutdown. So, kind of annoying if you ask me. Which podcast do you talk about your journey? If you search Rip's podcast, you'll find it. Start every morning with you, bro. Thank you. I thought you said Monday. Every morning. Beautiful. I love that. Thank you. It's fun. It's fun. The streams in the morning are a lot of fun. We are breaking out here. We're tickling this area of price. There's going to be stops above this. So if you're looking for a quick scalp to the north side, I think it's valid. The only problem is we're running the 48.50. And at 50, we're probably going to have a lot of people covering. So keep that in mind. You think markets will be choppy without major news? They usually are. They're going to be looking for balance. You have to remember, there's a lot of people who were short in the metals that are going to be trying to cover. Look at that. As I said that, look at that. People are front running those 50s. Front running those 50s. Order filled. Check your shit, Ripsy. What? I don't have sounds enabled. That's on your screen, homie. That's not me. That's on yours. Check your orders. I don't have sounds enabled. Hey, Rips, what subscription is good to get for Bookmap? And do you have a code for the Bookmap? I do. It's MC20 or Rips, but here's the link for Bookmap. Here's the thing. You only need Global. I have Global Plus. You don't need to spend that money. Just get Global, dude. Global's plenty. 5 minutes, we get some data, some Asian data. What's your TPT setup? I'm so used to Top Step. What do you recommend I do or change? Use Tradeovate. Copy trade 5 accounts. Use the built-in copier. Make sure your copy group is always selected before you enter any trade. And when you're done for the day, cancel all orders. There's a big gray button. It says exit and cancel all. I'm curious to see how heavy these folks are going to be front running 48.50 here. I'm in nothing. I have no trades. My hands are free. So I'm curious, like a cat, what's going to happen here. We traded on all props today, though. We traded on Tradeify. We made 5K on Tradeify. We traded on Lucid. We made 1,000 on Lucid. And then, wow, see, look at the front running. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that front running, bro. That was an iceberg order. 54 contracts got filled. Or sorry, 69 giggity contracts got transacted. Think, buddy. Sorry, I missed it, but what is your code for Bookmap? MC20. Nightbot has it above you twice. Nightbot wrote it twice. Did you say earlier that TPT no longer has activation fees? That's right. If you use code RIPS, there is no activation fee. Look at the front running. Look at this. Is anybody trying to scalp this into the 50s? Because I think it's risky, but it could be paying off a lot because you'll get a pop above 50s and you should close into that pop. Global lifetime is good enough. Yeah, but remember, with lifetime, you still have to pay for data. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the front runners. Look at this. Watch the slam. Watch the slam. Boop. There you go. Anybody catch that? Not me. I'm not trading it. I'm not touching it. I'm ready for the jacuzzi, baby. How did you identify the iceberg order? Because there wasn't resting liquidity that was 69 contracts. And when we tapped it, it appeared. And look at that. Right back down. As expected. I said it's going to rip over 50 and then it's going to flush. Bing, bang, boom. Pasidi says almost 100 points. Let's go. Congratulations, dude. Congratulations to you. That's a nice trade. Very, very nice. Gus says, I think I'm done till morning. That's a good play. I like that a lot. Data in 2 minutes, then I'm out of here, champs. We've been streaming for what? Hour and a half here? Not bad, not bad. Shelly, I miss you. Where you been? Shelly! Shelly, you're never over on Kick either. You gotta be over on Kick. We are safely above that previous London high right now, but I don't trust this as far as I can throw it. Love it. You trade Globex open and then I hop in and Coach Dakota on top of it. I love that. Yeah, Coach Dakota's live in what? In 30 minutes or an hour? When does he go live? Tradeovate's going to be adding a lockout feature soon. That is correct. I would love a bing bong emote. Nighttime trading for me? Gotcha. Gotcha. I don't understand this long. What do you mean? What do you not understand? It's just going for whole numbers, and there's people that are providing liquidity because they're getting stopped out. They're going short and they're getting stopped out, and therefore to close their shorts, they have to go long. That's it. It's very simple. Christopher Walken bingo bongo emote. We could get both of those, a bing bong and a Christopher Walken emote. 45 seconds now. 45 seconds until the bottom of the hour, and then we get the news, and then I'm gone. We're out of here. Have I been living under a rock? When did you start trading Globex live on YouTube? Today is the first time. And we made $5,000 on TPT. Bing, bang, bong. Let's see. 20 seconds. Why does your chart look like that? Because I love it to look like that. It helps me. It's Bookmap. Here we go. Data out in 5 seconds. Good luck. Not touching it. They're late with the data. It's building approval. Wait, hold on. Minus 14.9%. Australia December building approvals are down versus negative 6.4%. There's your data. Any questions before I go? Champions. Next data is not coming out for 3 hours. I think it's a PBOC thing. Monetary policy out of Bank of Australia. My bad. Bank of Australia coming out with monetary policy in 3 hours. Anybody have any questions before I go? We made $5,000 in TPT. That's $1,000 per account copied. What do we actually make though? If we want to like do the math. They did the math. 178 times 5. 53.90. Holy. I'll be live again in how long? Literally, I'll be live in fucking 12 and a half hours. My God, I need to sleep. I'm going to be live in 12 and a half hours, okay? Bookmap data, get Rhythmic. Rhythmic is the best, in my opinion. All right, everybody. I love you guys. Make sure you're subscribed to the stream on YouTube. If you're watching on Kick, go subscribe on YouTube. We're trying to get to 50K subs on YouTube. I love you all. Thanks for tuning in. Be safe out there. I'll see you guys in 12 and a half hours. My God, what am I doing? I'll see you guys in 12 and a half hours. Be good. I love you.